Get excited about the 2011 Dodge Journey. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.